So I'm currently going on a trip day after tomorrow. That is the 21st Saturday. I'm going to Karnataka, Hampi for a week. I really don't like saying Hampi. I know it sounds weird. Like, who Hampi? Oh my gosh. I know I don't like saying it. It sounds weird, but yeah. So I'm going to Karnataka, Hampi for a week or two. Like I'm going to be coming back on the 29th to the 30th. So no, 29th or 30th. I don't know when I'm coming back exactly. The return date is not finalized yet, but yeah, the going date is. So I'm going on the 21st, and I'm currently packing. Look at all my packing stuff. So I thought I'd make a little, pack with me video. So yeah, pack with me. Let's go. So yeah, that was most of my packing done, and I hope you enjoyed watching me struggle. You see, I'm not a great packer. Like, I don't really like to pack. I hate packing, so I try to be aesthetic, but I just packed how I packed. So yeah, that was it. So there are still some stuff left to pack, like these Young Ma. So yeah, Young Ma again socks. So yeah, these are left, and also the clothes that require ironing. So these are left, and yes, off camera I went and packed some personal private things, if you know what I mean. So obviously I cannot show everything on camera. So yeah, I went ahead and packed those, and then yeah, that was it. So I am 95% done with my packing. Then all the other things like toiletries, electronics, chargers, all of that will be done later off camera. So yeah, I hope you like this. And also, let me show you my almost half packed bag. It's really heavy. Hang on, let me show it to you. Here it is. Ta-da! Look at this bag. Oh my god. So, oh my gosh, I just noticed that it's not even zipped from here. Whoopsies. Ta-da! So, yeah, let me show you. This is the bag. Ta-da-da! So, yeah, then the rest things like, my hoodie and my essential bag here. This one will all go, let me just show you quickly what I have in here. I just have my makeup, lipstick, extra pads for, duh. So yeah, my lipstick, my mirrors and everything. So all this will go in my haversack, which I'll be packing tomorrow. So yeah, that's it. And also yes, I forgot to mention, look at this, I got nail extensions. So, ain't it like so gorgeous and it's red? So Christmas, it's giving those vibes. I love them. So yeah, I just thought I'll mention it since you'll be like, if that nail polish or what is it? So yeah, it's nail extensions. So yeah, stop blabbering, Casta. Oh my god. So yeah, that was it. I just thought I'll make this quick little packing video so that it's fun for me also, because I think it's so boring. So I was like, let's make a video and so it'll be more fun. And yes, it was fun, and also my mom helped me pack. So lol, TMI. So yeah, that was it, and I hope you liked this video, and I will see you all next time. Bye. Mwah.